Hurricanes land death toll rise as crews in Florida go door to door in search for survivors in decimated neighborhoods. As of Thursday, at least 102 people have been reported killed by the hurricane in Florida, 55 of them in Lee County. Lane also claimed the lives of 4 people in North Carolina. The storm slammed into Florida as a Category 4 hurricane last Wednesday. Days later, some residents of Iceland communities are cut off from the mainland. Hundreds of thousands of people are without power, and many Floridians have found themselves homeless. In some cases, government officials dealing with recovery efforts are among those who lost their homes.